Hello everyone, so today I'm going to demonstrate on how to make a pie chart using Microsoft Excel. So here we have a data about the educational attainment of 121 fishermen in a fishing village. So in this table we could say that 50 fishermen were able to reach elementary level. 45 of the 121 fishermen were able to finish the elementary education. Only 15 of the 121 fishermen were able to enroll in high school. 9 were able to finish high school, and only 2 were able to reach the college level but did not finish a degree. Here we have the column for percentage. So how did we obtain the percent composition? Was to divide 50 by the total, which is 121, multiply that by 100, so we obtained 41.32. 37.19 was obtained by dividing 45 by 121 times 100. So what we shall do now is to copy, and we will transfer that to the MS Excel. So this is now our value. This is now the table which we copied from the MS Word. To create a pie chart, we shall select the different levels of education from elementary level down to college level and their corresponding frequencies. Then we shall click insert and we select this pie chart. And I'll select this simple chart here, and immediately here we have a pie chart. Maybe we could name this chart as educational attainment of fishermen. Okay. I don't like this legend place here at the bottom, so I'll delete this one, and I'll add chart elements by clicking this green solid cross here at the upper right hand margin, and just click that, and I'll select data labels. There are more options here if you select the arrow, so click that arrow, and I would like this data call out here. I'll tick this one, and as you can see, the legend or the labels are placed directly close to the categories. So in this chart you could see that the labels are in percent, which correspond here. So 41% for elementary level, so same here. Elementary graduate, we have 37% here, which is also similar to our previous computation. This pie chart is showing that most of the fishermen were able to reach elementary education. That's all for now. Thank you very much.